Hi, Bob from Bob's Grading, 414-750-3002, bobsgradinginc.com. Hey, we finished a project here in Waterford, Wisconsin, Tichigan area. Finished this paver patio, or walkway, I should say. And then we seeded the yard, covered everything with straw netting. And this project took 300 yards of topsoil. So it's important to bring in enough soil to support a new lawn. It's one area you don't want to skimp. I would wait on landscaping over skimping on topsoil. Got to set a good foundation for the root system of the new grass. We used a 60% bluegrass blend, and then in some of the areas we used a shade blend. Most of the downspouts were buried underground. We did that last fall. We even have a pipe here where the downspout or the hose bib is, so that the garden hose can be buried that feeds the pool for adding additional water. So instead of having a hose draped on the yard, we've got it running that PVC pipe. So, and the rest of these downspouts are buried. There's a discharge pipe over there. So the straw rolls works really well, and if you get we had quite a bit of rain after we installed it, so having that rolled out straw really protects the new seed from erosion. And then we got the sub pump buried as well, downspouts buried, and we've come full circle back to the paver walkway. And this is the Unilock product, 3-piece. The Brussels. So give us a call, 414-750-3002, bobsgradinginc.com. Like and subscribe if you like some of the stuff on our channel. I really appreciate it. Helps us out a lot. And we do retaining walls, paver patios, new lawn installation, drainage correction, seeding. So check out our website and appreciate it. Thanks.